welcome to the best online resource for learning about object-oriented PHP and test-driven development. My name is Terry and I'm a web engineer with 8 years of programming experience. I authored this course to share the knowledge I've gained in this time with you. The number one goal of this course is to make sure you are not wasting any more time copy-pasting code into your code editor. We're going to explore every bit of syntax step by step to make sure you understand exactly what we are building. I built this course to make sure you don't have to spend any more time on confusing, out of date, and incomplete tutorials again. Understanding test-driven development TDD and object-oriented programming with PHP and PHPUnit is a sure guarantee for getting a high-paying job, which is exactly what we'll focus on in this course. Not only will we cover basic OOP in PHP, but we'll also discuss and implement advanced features of the language like dependency invasion principles, repository design patterns, dependency injections, and lots more. And you will learn how to first write test cases before writing the actual code. And of course, learning advanced programming skills can be tough. So this course provides dozens of real-world examples by taking a project-based approach to make sure you gain a solid grasp of every new topic. No shortcut at all. We only do things the right way. The entire course is hosted online with easy to follow videos and an entire Git repository with all of the course's code.